Alright, you guys, it's day 2 of final grade, and we are starting it off with a banger. Jordan's in the woods right now because he almost pooped his pants. I am left alone with my book. So things are going great so far for me, not so much for Jordan. So we've dropped our kids off with my mom, thank goodness. Yesterday was great, but today it'll be so nice. We don't have to worry about the kids getting run over by a tractor or smushed or anything like that. And then Heath, it'll be nice not to have someone on me all day. So today'll be a good day. How'd it go, honey? Do you feel better? Did you make it? Did you hear what you said to me?
What'd I say?
You go, Anna, shut up! And then you jumped out and ran off like a little old man. I got a glimpse into our future.
I was hunched over. Oh my gosh, that was close. It was so close. I found like a tree to lean against, and I had 3 napkins, which was enough.
Well, that's good. Yeah, you dropped them behind. I was gonna bring it to you, but then I didn't want to
I thought I was gonna say I thought I had more.
Great start to day 2. We chatted with Joe for a while and Dexx, and things are looking good. We're gonna unload all this. Oh, that looks so nicely stacked, Jordan. Way to go.
Well, what else am I supposed to do?
So we're gonna unload all this Miracle Grow because we're gonna put about half a bag to a bag in each hole, plus topsoil that we have. And we're gonna set up a watering system. We got some junk hoses to poke a bunch of holes in. Is that it?
Pretty much, and then he's gonna be doing all sorts of stuff over there.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing. This is the topsoil. Oh, there it is. Okay. Should have weed whacked this a little bit, honey. Woo.
Under this is some nice topsoil.
Oh yeah.
Somewhere.
Oh yeah. We'll find it. We'll get to it.
Do it. Pretty big pile.
Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, party people, we are going to prep the holes now. We're going to do some topsoil, and then we're going to do some of that Miracle Grow soil, and then we're going to throw some fertilizer in there, and then we're going to water all the holes, throw the trees in there, cover them with topsoil, poke holes in our hoses, and get a drip line going. So that's what we're doing. You got this, Jay, you got this.
Ah!
Oh yeah!
Yeah! Now we're talking.
Now we got this.
Tire's flat. Oh my god.
I don't want to dump it.
Uh-oh.
We're not getting much work done, just talking too much, but that's okay. Sometimes you gotta catch up with old friends. Jordan's trying to figure out where he wants the center little area to be. He's got his ropes and his tubing laid out.
I think this would be awesome. It's gonna give it so much more character.
Oh yeah, for sure. we've just been talking.
We need food.
Oh, we need burritos.
You wanna go get them?
I mean,
You're not really doing much, no offense.
please, I've been telling everyone where to put everything.
I'm just kidding.
We got everything figured out where we're gonna put our trees over by our neighbors that we're trying to block out. And we got our little courtyard area going in. Things are going good, but a little slower than we'd like because we've been dilly-dallying, so that's okay. We work hard every day, so we'll give ourselves a break, huh, honey?
Yeah. We are tired.
Yeah, we don't sleep, okay? Like, I know people say they don't sleep, but we don't sleep. Our 10-month-old is a hellion. Don't tell him I said that. Dexx is so good to us. Doing all the different changes that we ask him to and just add-ons, so thanks again, Dexx. We are tired, that is for sure. But we're getting there. So the trees might get a little hedgy in the future. Once they start to kind of grow together, we'll just end up taking like every other one out and transplanting it somewhere around the property where we want more privacy. And then we're also gonna add in some like different varieties of trees and give it, you know, some dimension and just some variety, so that'll be nice.
Not perfect, but a little better.
Looks great.